Make sure you have adult supervision when doing this at home, folks. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas, long time no see. All those intros, let's just skip over that and just get right to the main event. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do some lovely Christmas crafts because 'tis the season to look wonderful and look lit like a Christmas tree in front of your friends and family. As Christmas is fast approaching, I thought it was only my duty to share with you what I'll be doing this Christmas. I have a hair tutorial, a makeup tutorial, I even have a DIY Christmas outfit to share. So sit back, get your craft supplies, and let's get some crafting English. The first DIY I'll be sharing with you all today is a Christmas outfit, and we're pretty much making ourselves into a Christmas tree. So I got this t-shirt for $5 at my local Target, and you can probably do the same because I had a lot there. But that's okay, all you need is a green shirt. This is the only one they had in my size. Thanks for the inclusiveness, Target. I appreciate it. The other materials you will need for your Christmas shirt are essentially everything else you'll put on your Christmas tree. So I have some lights from D.I.Y, some tinsel from D.I.Y, and also some balls from D.I.Y. You can get anything you like. These are just what I put on my Christmas tree. So if you put some ornaments like crazy gingerbread, put some gingerbread on yourself. If you put some doves on your t-shirt. I don't discriminate. Put whatever you want on your Christmas tree. And if you're lazy like me and you don't really want to sew, use a glue gun to glue all your bits together. As long as your balls don't fall off, that's all that matters. To get things started, I just have an old catalogue. I was supposed to find a piece of cardboard or something, but you know, it's all in the recycling. So get yourself a magazine or a piece of cardboard and shove it in the middle of your t-shirt, because when we're gluing our balls on, we don't want the glue to go through to the other side of the t-shirt. So you do you to make sure your balls don't seep through. I mean, what? Your glue. Now, I didn't try the shirt on before I bought it, so if this doesn't fit me, I'm screwed. So make sure you try your shirt on before you spend $5 on it. Now that your shirt is laid flat on your open, clean surface, we're going to start by putting the tinsel on. And you may be thinking, hey Chris, why don't you start with the lights like a normal person does on their own Christmas tree? Well, to that I say, we're doing it my way today. We're starting with the tinsel. This probably will be best with a needle and thread. I just realized this is probably going to melt when I put hot glue on it. I'm back with the sewing box. Well, you know how I said, just take the lazy way out. This step you probably do need a needle and thread, so don't always listen to me. Use whatever thread color you have at home. I personally don't have any red, so I'm just gonna use green so it matches the color of my shirt, even though it's way too light. But that's fine, use what you have. I'll be back once I've threaded my needle. I did it. I'm going to start by sewing the end of the tinsel to the shoulder, like at the seam. If you can see what I'm doing. Crap, I didn't even bring scissors. But I have these things. That works. And the front part is done. And I only had to prick myself 3 times. Since I'm too lazy to repeat that process about 10 million other times, I'm just going to use the hot glue gun, even though I might burn the tinsel. What is this? Are we close enough? Lol, it's not. I should have thought about this before I started. BRB again. Wow, change of scenery again. Totally beauty guru worthy. We know how to DIY things here on the MissKrizAnn YouTube channel. While I'm waiting for the hot glue gun to get lit, I'm going to start by planning where I want this tinsel to go. Yeah, I think I'm just going to wing it because that seems very safe.
20 minutes later.
Oh, done. And continue this process until you are happy with the amount of tinsel on your shirt.
2 hours later.
Ouch! I can't wait for Lord D.I.Y to see this and get jealous.
You're not gonna be the D.I.Y queen.
It's all I've ever wished for.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
20 minutes, 5 burns, 3 glue sticks and a partridge and a pear tree later, I finished gluing on the tinsel. Now it's time for the balls. 5 golden rings. Now the key to gluing on your balls is to make them random and unorganized, just like my life. So you're halfway there. Oh, my balls dropped.
Me balls are falling off.
Here is a look at my Christmas tree. Pretty fabulous. I'll pop the lights on that later. On to the next DIY. As kids, Dylan and I used to love watching The Grinch Who Stole Christmas, particularly because Jim Carrey's interpretation of the Grinch was pretty spot on, if I don't say so myself. And we all know who everyone's favourite character is, Cindy Lou Who. And who wouldn't want to have their hair up in a big mess like hers on Christmas Day? I sure wouldn't. I mean, I do. What? That's why I'm going to teach you how to look just like Cindy Lou Who this Christmas Day. First, you want to start by taking all of your hair down. It also helps if you haven't washed your hair for 3 weeks. The dirtier, the better. Then you want to get a teasing comb and start teasing the absolute crap out of your hair. If you don't have a teasing brush like me, feel free to just use your little brother's toothbrush. There's no real right way to do this. Just tease your hair. It's as simple as that. Yeah, that works. The key to teasing your hair is to backcomb until your head looks like a bird's nest. Mission accomplished. The best tip I can give you for this hairstyle is that you want so much volume in your hair, Freddie Mercury will be asking you to turn the volume down. Once you are happy with your amount of tease, it is time to put it all up. If you do this correctly, your hair will just stand up on its own. But if your hair's not cooperating, use a drink bottle. Start by sectioning half of your hair to the front, and with your bottle, secure it into your hair. And with the back half of hair, move that all to the top to cover the bottle. Now with a hair tie, secure it all together. Hello, Mr. Grinch. And to make sure it all stays in place, wrap it together with tinsel. Man, I really wanted this to work. Well guys, I did it. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Time to secure that baby with hairspray. And a lot of it. Now time to put the shirt on without messing my hair up. Oh God, I better sit down for this. Oh, Dill, can you help me? It's like being born in reverse. Wow, I look fabulous. Oh fuck, my hair is falling. But I look great.
Walking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Rocking around, rocking around, rocking around, rocking around, rocking around, rocking.
Are you getting the Christmas tree?
Yes, I'm getting it.
I hope you enjoyed this festive, fun and fresh DIY. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe and all that jazz, and I'll be sure to see you in my next video. See you later everybody, bye! Ah no!
You're like fucking Marge Simpson.
Oh me?